Hey guys, my name is Ellen and I love purple shampoo. I'm constantly looking for the newest purple shampoo to get me that perfect icy blonde tone and keep the brass away. So I'm super excited to talk to you guys today about the newest purple shampoo I tried from Everpure. I was super impressed with this formula, so I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about why. So when I'm looking at a purple shampoo, there's three key things that I'm looking for. First, did it actually tone my hair and give me the look that I want? Two, did it go a little too far and turn my hair purple? And three, did it give me that dry look that I sometimes see when I use some purple shampoos? So the first thing I look for, number one, is did it actually tone my hair? For me, I think that blonde tone is super personal. For me, I'm always looking for that icy bright blonde. We also know that that ashy, really, really cool blonde is on trend. And we know that we look our best when we're just walking out of the salon or we just finished doing our hair. So I think that this is the perfect way to really keep that look that you're looking to achieve all the time. So I just got back from vacation in Florida and I noticed my hair was looking a little brassy, so I knew it was time to pull out the purple. I also know when to first start using it, maybe like a week or two after I first start coloring, when I start to see those yellow and orange tones come back, or if I've been spending a lot of time in the sun or using a lot of heat tools. So what I do first is instead of my regular shampoo, I use the purple shampoo, leave it in for about 2 minutes and rinse it out. Then I follow up with the conditioner, leave it in for about 5 and then rinse that out thoroughly. So for you girls who have all over bleach or have a little bit more damage in their hair, your hair is a little bit more porous, so it'll soak up a little more purple. So start with no leave-in time and you can build more minutes on to get the result that you're looking for. So the second thing I look for when I'm evaluating purple shampoo is did it go overboard and turn my hair purple? So what I would say is less is more. For me, I don't wash my hair too often, maybe 3 times a week. So I swap this out and use purple once or twice a week. But you should definitely not be using it more than 3 times a week, even if you are washing your hair every day. The third thing I look for is if my hair is dry. Anyone who uses purple shampoo often knows that there's certain formulas out there that'll leave your hair feeling a little bit like hay afterwards. So one of the things I love about Everpure is it's actually moisturizing while it tones, so it's a good best of both worlds. My hair did not feel dry after I used this. The other thing I love about Everpure is that it's sulfate-free, so it's non-stripping. It's gonna be gentle on your hair color, which for us who know they're spending either 4 hours in a salon or all day Saturday in their bathroom is super important to protect your color. So I'm a blonde, obviously, but brunettes, you guys can use it too. If you have the hand-painted highlights, the all-over highlights, or an ombre, and you're seeing those orangey yellow tones, give it a try because it can really cool you down. So that's it, guys. I hope these tips helped you with using purple shampoo. If you want to learn more about Everpure, you can go to l'orealparisusa.com. If you want to buy it, you can check it out on Target and Amazon.